Hi, today I'll be showing you how to make a hamburger meat, or you can call it beef boss. So let's go. Face like this. You want to choose these, or no idea what you call it. None of these. And the colour, this colour. Make it bold. You want to choose these eyebrows. Here are the positions. And this colour. If you need to pause the video at any point, then that's fine. Of course it's fine. Why would it not be fine for someone to pause a video? Anyway. The eyes. You want to choose these eyes. This is going... So if you saw the eyebrows, they're actually going to be like the beef inside. And the eyes are going to be... I don't know. Tell me in the comment section down below what and if you know what these are and what they are. A bit of fluff on there. And you want to do these positions. Then you want to make them this colour. Then you want to get the nose. You want to have this nose. And then these positions. And the mouth, this is going to be the ketchup. So you need to select this mouth. And then these positions. And then this colour here. And then here's the trick. So there is a gap between the beef, isn't there? So here's the trick. We need to get the moustache, but no beard. And this position, these positions even, and this is going to fill the gap. And then this colour. There is no moles. Gender, male. Body, here's the body. It's quite simple, just all the way down here, all the way up here. No glasses. Favourite colour, yellow. And then you can type in either hamburger or beef boss. Then click done. And there you have it. Your own beef boss me.